What if I told you you can create your development environment in just a couple of minutes? Surprised? Let's get inside. I was going to write some test using Selenium, Playwright, and Cypress to understand how these behaves. I know most of you must have been using one of these automation tools for your software delivery, right? But I got stuck. I got stuck with where to test. Should I test with Amazon, Flipkart, any other e-commerce, Shopify store? But then I thought that will be directly in the production, and we shouldn't be doing any such kind of testing on any production services, right? So, how do we create something that we can test locally? You must have been doing, as a developer, creating local environments, local e-stores. In my case, it's e-commerce store. That's why I'm talking about e-commerce store. You can create travel as well as locally, but for that you need a proper environment, proper staging environment, or maybe your development environment, and there you test. And many a times, as a developer, you must have faced many challenges in creating such stores, such development environment. And I'm not talking about full-fledged development environment. I'm talking about very basic environment, right? Now I'll tell you how AI helped me create a demo store that I can use for my testing, and that too in just a couple of minutes. I set it up. So if I can do, you can do too. And this is the power of AI. Let me show you this demo store that I created in just a couple of minutes using AI. So as you see on the screen, a local demo store application, and I've used Express.js as a backend server, and it has proper API endpoints for login, products, and shopping cart. We are not doing cart checkout. We are just going to the cart and verifying that we have added the right item. We have also HTML, CSS, and with Tailwind CSS. So most of the new tech uses this, and it has login, search, and shopping cart functionality, all the selectors, dom, everything added. And it has also given me how to set this up locally. So this is wonderful, right? Now what we'll do, I'll show you this. So this is complete local setup with all the code that you can see here. And yeah, this is the Express server. You can see the code here, Express JSON, and the products. So we just have 4 products. So we have just added in the as an array. So but if it's more, you know what to do, right? You have to fetch from the database through API call, right? And let's list it, right? We have this login. Now here are the API routes, and the first one being the login, because I want user to log in, right? Log in first and then search for the product, and based on the search result, add the product to the cart, do the cart checkout. This is the complete flow. And log in with default password, username, password. We have just hard coded this. And this is the route to products. Again, this is the API call. This is again another API call for cart, and we are using JSON here. So how beautifully you see everything is been done by the help of API. No, sorry, AI. And then this is the front end part, the index.html. So, and we have here Tailwind, CSS, and this is the front end, all HTML, CSS. So here we have the main content. This is the dashboard. This is the login screen. Then we have dashboard. After we log in, we go inside dashboard. Then we have this main content. We have cart confirmation. We have product listing. There's loading indicator as well, and the search results. We have cart modal. Wow. What do you need? You just have to say, and AI will do it for you. Then we have a script. and this has all the DOM elements. It is also maintaining the state. Then we have event listener functions. What do you want? So, and this is within the product card, the details. So for now, we are not showcasing the images. Anyways, I'll show you the UI part, right? And this is, yeah, all the functions we have here. And it has also given the folder structure to set this up. Wow, how you have to set this whole store. This package.json, and then we have the test. So now I'll show you how does this demo store look like. Okay, so before we get to start the server, let me show you what do I have. So we'll go inside the root of the projects, this demo store, and I'll show you all the folders that we have. And this is the package.json. We have the node modules, Cypress, Playwright. These are Selenium. These are just test modules. Forget that. We have server.js, the Express server, and in the public we have what? Images and index.html. If we go to images, we have all the images here. And by the way, we are not showing the images. We have just kept this as a placeholder so that our functionality works, and that's what you need when you are developing in your development environment. You don't need end-to-end everything, right? You have to first check the functionality, and that's what we are doing here. So I'll just go back, and what we'll do, we'll just start this Express server. So let me grab the command so that I don't have to type it again and again. And this sudo node server.js, and I'll just start it. It's asking for my system password because I've set it locally. And here you go, demo store is running. What we'll do, we'll go and launch the page. Okay, so we started the server, we have the code, everything. Now let's launch the page. So it's demo store, and this is HTTP because we are not using any certificates, and this is running on port 80. So let's go ahead and launch it. Okay, we have this. So as a placeholder, we have already put the username and password, and we'll go ahead and sign in. So this is demo store login. I'll just sign in. Wow, we have the 4 products with all the details. It says demo store. We have welcome. We have username test user, the cart with 0 count, and we have search option. We have all the 4 products. We have add to cart option. So we have wireless. We have headphones, right? Let's see. Okay, this works. Let's check iPhone. Okay, it doesn't work. So yeah, this works. So because there are no products for iPhone, let's try Apple. Wow, even the return key works. Let's try Mango. That's not a we are just testing things, right? So let's get back to our product. And yeah, I told you that images will not show because we haven't done that stuff for now. Let me add to the cart. Add to the cart. So you see here, item added to cart. Let's go. Okay, this was 0, it's now 1. Great. And we have this $199 here. Here also it says $199 into 1. Name, let's check the name. It's same, premium wireless headphones into 1. Great. We have all functionality working till cart. Now if you have something like this which you need for your development and testing, wouldn't this be a great addition to your AI learning? Then what's stopping you from learning AI tools? And this, I've used Cloud, but you can use any other AI tool as well and try it out. You have GitHub Copilot, you have ChatGPT, you have Cloudy, you have and many other AI tools. I don't have to name them those to you because you are smart enough, right? So go ahead, try these AI tools, build your own development store, build your own development environment. Happy coding and happy testing. Give back to the business.